Welcome back to Zircon Jr.'s Almost Lunch Party! And today we will discuss planets! What better way to take in the sights of Nefarious City than wall running from Imperial troopers? Or perhaps you'd prefer the epic yet alluring landscapes of Sargasso? Ride the Speedo! Or explore the filthy death trap that is Molinoth. Grind the rail! Our journey includes new planets, new versions of old planets, and alternate dimension versions of old and new planets! What's that? You want more? We'll play the game! It's gorgeous! Just look at it! Look at it! Until next time, when we discuss the glory of story.
Clank!
PlayStation